Hello everyone and welcome to Wondering Wednesday. Today's segment is What's in the Box. We are here with our second OwlCrate Jr. box. If you remember from last month, the sneak peek we got in our September box was that this month's theme was epic quests. And if we're fans of The Hobbit and things like that, there'd be some cool stuff in here. So I'm really excited about this one. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the first thing we have here on top is our little booklet that's telling us that it is about Epic Quests, October of 2020. So there's some interviews with the author of our special book this month in here. Oh, this might actually be cool for my Dungeons & Dragons students. Creativity Corner, how to create your own fantasy map. That's pretty cool. And then it looks like there's a artist feature in here too, so I'm guessing the book that we're going to be reading about has some pictures. So let's keep digging and see what we can find. Okay, so the first thing I see on here is a pin, and I'll do a close-up of this. It says "Never laugh at live dragons," which is pretty cool. A little pin there. And then here we have a water bottle. Oh, this looks like it's from the Golden Compass, just based off of the polar bear, the compass, and the animals. So any Golden Compass fans, that's really cool. We've got lots of this stuff that I'm gonna throw on the floor and vacuum up later. Okay, next we got this little tin here that has, looks like a polar bear on it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, some nice drawing pencils. That's really neat. Okay. Then this says, I'm not sure what this is. This says Aslan's Camp, so I'm assuming this is Narnia. Something from Chronicles of Narnia, because Aslan's a character in that. Let's open up and see what this is. Oh, it looks like a bandana. Like a map. Oh, look, it's a map of Narnia. That is super neat. Okay. Okay. Oh, hold on. We're not to the book yet. What is this? Oh, this looks like it goes with the pencils. So along with the pencils, there's a really neat looking notebook here, sketchbook. It has that polar bear on it. Oh, that's so cool. A little bit of a matching set there. Okay. And now we're to our book. Okay. Oops. Ooh, super cool. Okay, let's open this up. Maybe. I had trouble last time too. This one doesn't have a hole in it like the other one did. But I can see just from the side that this is the first of maybe what's going to be a series. So that's obviously really neat. Okay. And I dropped everything. Let's see what we got here. So we got a signed book plate from the author, which I think is super cool. I'm going to put that right in the cover of this book. And then we've got 4 tattoos that go with the book here. And then here's our Go on an Adventure sticker. And then we have our note from the author. The book is called The Barren Grounds, and it is by David A. Robertson. So I'm going to set that there. I'll read this at the end. Let's sort of see what our book is about. Looks like I see like a talking bear here, and it looks like a squirrel that are wearing like coats. So talking animals. So we got a fantasy book here. Okay, so let's read the description. Morgan and Eli, 2 indigenous children forced away from their families and communities, are brought together in a foster home in Winnipeg, Manitoba. They each feel disconnected from their culture and from each other. They struggle to fit in at school and at their new home until they find a secret place. Walled off in an unfinished attic bedroom, a portal opens to another reality. ASCII, bringing them onto frozen barren grounds, where they meet Ochek, Fisher, the only hunter supporting his starving community. Ms.Murray welcomes the human children, teaching them traditional ways to survive. But as the need for food becomes desperate, they embark on a dangerous mission. Accompanied by Eric, a sassy squirrel they catch stealing from the trap line. They try to save Ms.Murray before the icy grip of winter freezes everything, including them. Wow. So this seems like a sort of a Narnian adventure story in a way. So that is the Barren Grounds with really pretty artwork on the cover. Okay, so that is what we got here. And then our author's note reads, Tansy, young ones, welcome to ASCII, a world beyond your world. If you've found your way here, no doubt you've come by the power of your imagination. 2 young humans arrived by the same means. You painted a picture with your mind as one does with stories. The others literally painted a picture, but this took no less imagination. I wonder if this is the proper time to have Kome? The cold is biting and the wind is howling like a beast. A beast not all are brave enough to face. But if you dare, come forward. Follow me to Ms.Murray, the farthest village in the North County. Follow me across the barren grounds, a long and treacherous journey. The Pissacoak who dwell in longhouses will welcome you. They will clothe you to endure the endless white time, and they'll feed you whatever scraps they can muster. We will wait for a brave group to return with food, and Creator willing, an end to the white time. The 2 humans aren't much older than you, and I can see the same potential in you. You may do well here. You may have the sort of adventure that is written in OwlCrate on the walls of the council hut. The stuff of legend. Never sell yourself short. There are great things in you, even when the odds seem insurmountable. Accept those that may help you, because it's community where we draw strength, and stories like yours bring us together. Echo Sani, young ones, welcome to Ms.Murray. And then the author signs his name. So that is the message there. So this looks like it's based on Native American folklore, which seems pretty cool. So if you're a fan of Narnia or any type of adventure type stories, then this looks like it would be the book for you. I'm excited to read it. So that is our OwlCrate. I definitely think we're going to have a couple giveaways here, so be on the lookout for that. The theme for November is Home Sweet Home. So let's flip this over for a sneak peek. So it says, welcome home readers. November's book is a suspenseful fantasy tale all about family, dark magic, and the meaning of home. Next month's story will be perfect for fans of Goldoline, The Wizard of Once, and the Peculiar series. So there we go. So next month looks like it's going to have a little bit of magic in it.